Welcome to Sea La Vie in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the best location for all living lifestyles. This gorgeous property boasts everything you need for the ultimate beachside living experience. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, an open-concept kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove. Enjoy ample storage in each room, ensuring your belongings stay organized and easily accessible. Multiple kitchen appliances are provided for cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, making meal preparation a breeze. Step outside to find 2 refreshing outdoor showers and a grill, perfect for those post-beach barbecues. Relax in your own private oasis with a turfed patio, or take advantage of the provided kayaks and pool accessories for all ages. Rest easy with impact windows throughout, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Inside, each room is equipped with a flat-screen TV for entertainment and relaxation. Choose to dine indoors at the spacious dining room table, or enjoy a meal al fresco at the outdoor dining area. Around the corner are restaurants, live music entertainment, and a Publix grocery store within walking distance. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about Fort Lauderdale Beach, only 1 mile away. With its pristine sands and blue waters, it's the perfect spot for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Plus, the beach is lined with vibrant shops, cafes, and bars, offering endless opportunities for fun and relaxation. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Fort Lauderdale Beach has something for everyone. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to live the beachside lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Contact us today to schedule your stay.